Hi guys, so this is a very short video on an unboxing and review of the power tool that Lotus sent us. It's the circular saw LTCS 1500X. So before we start, I'd just like to thank Lotus Philippines for sending us this machine to review and to give you a few details of what's inside the box and maybe a few functions of it. So, simula na tayo. So, the box arrived fully sealed, brand new, and inside the box is of course the manual, but something that really surprised me is the two pieces of carbon brush na nasa loob. First time akong nakabukas ng tool na may dalawang carbon brush na libre sa loob. Next is the blade, the guide, and then the wrench in changing the blade. So this is how it looks. It's pretty sturdy. And just like any other circular saw, it has a 45-degree bevel capacity and a slot for the circular saw guide. Isa pang maganda rito is that yung cover ng blade niya is metal. So hindi plastic, hindi yung flimsy. So that's another plus point for it. And then the blade is 24 teeth, 7 1/4 inch. 65mm cutting capacity. Now, on this part, I was really surprised on how ergonomic yung pagpapalit ng blade o yung dali niya sa pagbalit ng blade. Kasi yung spindle lock niya is strategically placed para yung right hand mo pagka inusog mo yung blade cover, at the same time mapipindot mo na rin yung spindle lock while your left hand is changing the blade. So one action lang siya. Very nice. It has a 1500 watt motor, and this is how it sounds like. It's pretty powerful, and this is how it sounds like a little bit closer. So malakas tong circular saw na to. I'm really impressed on how powerful it sounds, and gustuhin ko mag-test cut at ipakita kung gaano kalakas yung motor niya. Kaso lang, since we're raffling this out, gusto ko sana yung mananalo. Siya yung unang makakagamit nitong circular saw na to. So para sa mas detalyado pang performance and other features nitong circular saw, nag-attach ako ng link ng video ni Vincero Carpintero sa description for you to know more about the tool and its other functions and features. So hindi lang unboxing tong video na to, no? It's also a reminder of next month's SHOPPEE 99 sale for Lotus Tools. And to get you more excited on that sale, Lotus and Tabla Primera are raffling out this circular saw. Itong mismong circular saw na ni-review ko na ayokong gamitin para i-test. So, how to join on this raffle? You just simply have to visit our page, Tabla Primera Studio, and I'll be posting the mechanics on how to join the raffle. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.